Today the main part of the video is going to be on this Stihl MS 180C. Just got done doing a whole bunch of tree trimming, cutting up branches and everything, and I noticed that my chain was dull. I was getting sawdust coming out of it instead of wood chips. So it's time to do some general maintenance, and that's what we're going to do. This is going to be basic maintenance here. We're just going to be looking at it, checking out the spark plug, checking out the air filter. I'm going to sharpen the chain on it. I'm not going to go over that in depth in a video. You look on the internet, there's hundreds of videos on how to go about doing it. But I will show you periodic maintenance, what you need to do with it, how to flip the bar over and use the other side of it. So stick with me here. Getting the chain off, we just loosen this up entirely. Take the cover off. Go ahead and run this forward just a little bit. That'll loosen your chain. And you just take it off like so. Make sure you got your safety glasses on. We're going to use some compressed air. We're going to blow all this out, blow all this out, blow this out. Now that we've blown it out, I'm just going to take a shop towel and wipe out some of the excess here. All this is sawdust and bar oil. I just got done sharpening the chain, so now it's time to flip the bar over for even wear. First, I just want to make sure all this is cleaned up. Don't want to get any grease down in your clutch here. So periodically take your bar off, blow it out, and clean it up a little bit. So this is the way the chainsaw came. We're going to inspect the groove that the chain runs in. We're going to clean it, and then we're going to flip the bar. You can use a narrow screwdriver like this. If you don't have a narrow one, you can get a pick set. You just want to get all the crud out of the channel. You should do this at least once a season. Then after that, inspect your roller on the end, make sure it's rolling good, and inspect your channel. This is my depth gauge. If you buy the Stihl brand, they usually have a little hook on the end for cleaning your bar and your channel out. I don't happen to have the Stihl brand. I've got an Oregon, but it works just as good. To change this, there's one screw right here that holds it on, and we flip the bar. You can see there's two holes here, but only one screw holding it. We take the screw off. We've got some debris here that we're going to go ahead and clean this out. While we're here looking, we want to make sure these holes on both sides of the chain are clear. This is where your bar and chain lube goes through. It feeds through there, gets picked up by the chain, and travels the length of the bar. This is why it's so important to make sure that all the debris is out of the hole. You check both sides. Then all we have to do is put this back on, flip it over. There's only one side that has a threaded hole in it. And that's it. We put it back together. Make sure that your teeth on your chain are going to face towards the tip of the bar. So our teeth are facing the right direction. Move it forward a little bit, that'll give us some slack. Snug up just a little bit of tension. Make sure our chain is in the groove all the way. We check it out. On the sprocket correctly. We put our side cover on. We don't tighten it all the way down. We now lift our bar. We adjust our chain. We tighten our bar down. Now we'll just check the spark plug, check the air filter, and we'll pretty much be done with this general maintenance. Air filter looks real good and clean. We'll take our scrunch. Take our scrunch and we'll check the spark plug. Still looking good. We go to put our cover back on. We have this pin right here and this roller. Pin goes right in here and the roller goes under there. Like that. And we're ready to go again. That about wraps up the general maintenance on this Stihl MS 180C. We sharpen the chain. Again, I'm not going to show you how to do that. There's hundreds of videos out there. Stihl happens to have a really good video. It's pretty simple, straightforward thing to do. It just takes time and patience. We flipped the bar. We cleaned up the clutch cover area. We've checked the spark plug, we've checked the air filter. We're ready to get going for the rest of this season. So, again, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing. If there's anything in particular you'd like to see me work on, please leave a comment down below. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.